This exquisite Vogel-Eredyon crystal wand is a masterpiece of light and precision, carved from natural, optical-grade Brazilian clear quartz. Each facet has been cut with sacred intention, bringing forth a unique fusion of science, geometry, and spirit. Completely water-clear and radiating pure brilliance, this rare piece stands as both a collector's treasure and a powerful healing instrument. It amplifies energy, balances intention, and refines focus, guiding your practice toward harmony, manifestation, and higher consciousness. In your hands, it becomes more than a crystal. It becomes an ally of light, helping you open your heart, expand your awareness, and channel the universal energy that flows through all things. This is the gift of Mother Earth, a clear mirror of divine guidance, ready to assist you in your journey of healing, transformation, and purpose.